we are like friends, okay? Be cool, calm, okay? All that here we are for learning, okay? So let me give a big brief background why AI Kshetra Tech. So basically we are tech-oriented company. So like we want to bridge the gap between academia and industry, okay? So we want to deliver based on core values. On the academic side, we are preparing for on the establishment of Center of Excellence and then GCC so that you guys get an opportunity. Okay, on the industry side, if you want to be an entrepreneur, like once you are into the IT, we will provide the platform. So basically, whatever your dreams are, here we are to support. Okay, so that's a brief overview. Could you please, yeah. Okay, this is our leader song. Please feel to listen when you are free time. So that's the motivation and the key value. Okay, so even though we are tech guys, we are human beings. What drives in today's AI world, right? So it is said clearly in VTU. Okay, Modalu Manavanagu. Any of you read? We missed, right? But it's critical, right? Because AI. Now it's not that we are competing with ourselves. We have to compete with machines. Okay. Yesterday, day before yesterday, I went to Beyond Bangalore, Mysore event. So on the podium, the anchor was asked to, she just introduced a robotic assistant who took just take care of the podium, right? Now we are in a situation we have to compete with machine, right? So what differentiates between a machine and a human? Can anybody guess? Right? It's a AI world. Everyone, we are studying as well as competing with AI, right? The imagination, dream, as long as you have the curiosity and dream, nobody is going to stop, okay? So, yeah, just believe in yourself and your dreams. You will take care of AI, okay? AI is, we have to leverage AI. It's not that, AI is going to lose jobs. No, we have to step up, learn, leverage, okay? So we will enable you, just be with us. So that is the whole stuff. And I started my journey at CDAC, Center for Development Advanced Computing, with respect to Param Computers. What you are seeing is Param Padma, which was awarded in the top 17th rank in top 500. Basically, what top 500? If you see, can anybody say which is the fastest car in the world or the race? Sorry? Loud. Bit loud, please. Nice, okay, right? Similarly, in top 500, what they do know, they will ask all the supercomputing data centers in the world to come and basically compete themselves. That's a healthy competition. What they do is basically they run a benchmark program called HPL, High Performance Lean Pack, and based on that, they will announce the results. And every 6 months they do, okay? So Parampadma was 17th in 2002, and the key unit for measure is of flops, that is floating operations per second. So we transition from teraflop to petaflop and then exaflop. So, yeah. Now where are the supercomputers in India? So the best place you can start off with CERC, this is Supercomputing Education and Research Center. It is at IISc. You guys can all go and visit and know about it. Myself and my daughter in last February on the Open Science Day we went. Please forward. So this is the supercomputing facility at CERC, IISc. Forward. And my daughter, I will take to these centers during Open Science Day. So this is the configuration, 3.3 petaflops, and then and I got a KitKat because I answered the quiz. So you will get a lot of quizzes. So just be curious. Oh, this is all my program, what I offer in terms of what you will be learning and then executing hands-on. We do focus on hands-on because you've done a lot of study of theory, right? In your colleges, you will get, basically our aim is to get exposure to the industry based on projects, the capstone projects. That is our key motivation. This is the HPC architecture. So basically, if you learn a single computer, believe me, you will learn supercomputer in next 2 days. All that you need to do is learn with basics very strongly. So this is, okay. These are the various applications. Imagine any, big applications like weather forecasting with around 200 to 300 years of historical data. Even if you give the infinite resources, it is not, it will take up basically. It's like a demon. It will, how many number of processors you put in, it will just swallow, but still it is hungry. So those are the applications which require supercomputing, even artificial intelligence, right? So name any big HPC applications. Basically, whichever the problem you are not able to solve on your desktop, so that is more than one system you want to use as a single one, the high performance computing will enable you. So that's the crux. These are the metrics from top 500 where you will come to know from various perspectives, like hardware, for example, which are the like HP, Lenovo, IBM, those are the guys. I think these charts we can skip, we can go through top 500. This is the key milestone we had a movie with Dr. Rajkumar Bhuya. So he's a pioneer in distributed computing. So basically, there is an Aneka product which enables to build distributed systems even on the cloud. So it's very interesting. So apart from the project side, so the exposure on the research side as well. It's a great opportunity to collaborate and learn. And now they are into quantum computing as well. So my sincere request is, guys, please focus on this one. If you are curious, nobody in the world is going to stop you. Believe me, that is the only thing. See, parents will invest on us. Teachers will spend their time. Unless you are motivated, nothing will move, right? So nobody asked you to come and sit here today, but you made up that, okay, today I'm going to make it. That matters, right? So you are here. So our goal is to take care of you guys. So all that you need to do is spend 100 hours, committed, be with us, okay? You experience, we'll work together. I don't do any false promise that I'm going to take you to the sky, but we will put our efforts and see how the results go. Basically, I believe in karma yoga. We'll put our efforts, let's see the results later, okay? So, and this is our first guy who got into Genpact. So even I, coming from IT industry, I was not sure how to work with students. So I worked with him. I told him, Rahul, please commit 100 hours. We will see how it goes. So we worked together in parallel tracks, one on technical and another on soft skill, both together, working on resume, understanding his skill set, getting strong on basics, okay? At the 75th hour, he got into Genpact. Please give him big hands, okay? So that is what commitment, right? You determine your dream. It is not that you come with me, I will take on my way. No, you tell me, sir, I want to go there. I will work with you, okay? It is like, I want to make sure your dreams are achieved. Cool. So this is on the pay side, okay? From 4 to 7. So it depends on what exactly or where you want to go. See, if I want to just learn Linux and get into a system admin, the basic stuff, entry 1. But if you want to be a scientist, the computational science, right now, the package is 80 lakhs to 1 crore. That is for top, right? Long way to go. But you should be determined that, okay, at the entry level itself, I should be focusing on this. Because what will happen, everybody will ask, where to start? My sincere suggestion is to focus on R&D jobs, because that is the future. If you focus on learning present, you will lose down the line, okay? You take some time, okay? Don't rush behind package. Everything will come to you. Focus on advanced technology. It may take you time. Put your right efforts, right area, you will be there, okay? So this is where, we launched our program in Startup Mahakumbh. You are our union minister, and so those are the, few dignitaries. So this is another great thing, right? So now everything is in place. Tumkur is happening, okay? So Suhurt is driving Startup Tumkur, okay? His vision is to have the GC set up in Bangalore. He is working day and night from years. He came to me he's an angel for me. I had a rapport, he has to build stronger India. We are working together. So the ecosystem, right? So now the KDM, they are coming to visit places, okay? There are 3 areas that are being identified, 30,000 square feet, okay? So where they would be providing office space. They need talent, like you guys. The only gap is talent. guys. So that's what we are trying to build. Focus on that, be with us, so we'll try to deliver. We'll make the Tumkuru great, okay? So this is some infrastructure, like, metro and Surat. Great. So this is the JD, like, what you're going to do. So basically, I will tell you, like, okay, show me the system, like in your office, supercomputer. I will tell you, if you are able to connect two systems, you can connect 2,000 systems. Not a big difference, right? So if you are constructing a home or a palace, all that starts with the two bricks, right? So once you are strong, you know how to connect those two, you should be able to scaling to the maximum, okay? So that is the whole crux, okay? Uh, so I think, okay, this is on the entrepreneur journey, right? So I just wanted to do an entrepreneurship because I spent 17 years technically. Okay, I want to gel with people because I'm interested in teaching. So I thought of doing how to do that. I didn't make any big investment. I just started my own solopreneur. I started seeing how to reach out to people. I started with Swadeshi Mela. So I was not knowing what to do. Okay, students, faculty, academia, they give me suggestions. Sir, please come to our college, do some presentation. Oh, okay. So the people keep suggesting me what to do. So don't feel lonely, okay, right? Just tell them, just jump in, people will support, right? Okay, people, they're really good people on this earth, they will support you, okay? Don't worry. So I'm glad that, in Tumkur I got really good support and students, faculty and entrepreneur support and Surat as well and Mahesh colleague. So he's here, okay? So because he wants to serve the society, right? It's like people with such, heart and kindness to support, we'll grow together, I think. Yeah, this is my snap at, and just to think one thing. So if you want to be a startup Maharati, you want to do your own, we will support that also. It is not that you have some idea and you share with us and we are going to bank on that. No, your idea, you will be supported as a startup. Surat is supporting on the innovation hubs as well, startups. So just reach out, Surat. If you have an idea, he will help you setting up in an incubation center so that you can work on do R&D on your idea and scale to the next level. Okay, don't feel lonely. We are here to take care of you. Just one request, be with us for 100 hours, commit for 100 hours. So we'll work together. Okay, all the best guys. Take care.